This is how strong I am.
Am I about to go down as the most clutch gamer alive?
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Please, please, please.
I hate you!
Fuck me. Okay, so the first thing we need is a character. I put an Italian plumber inside a cauldron and gave him a hammer. Did you know that Mario actually had a hammer in his first appearance back in 1991? Our boy was born for this crossover, yes! Next, I put together an exact replica of Super Mario Bros. First level and began developing the movement mechanic from Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. After many failed attempts, this is what I came up with. We have Mario and the hammer, one anchored to the other, with some freedom in one axis. We then use physics for the movement, utilizing both force and torque, which is the equivalent of force but for rotation. Finally, we convert the player's intention of movement to these forces. If the hammer is touching an obstacle, then the forces are inverted and applied to Mario instead. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, it doesn't yield exactly the same behavior as the original game, but that's okay, this is just a tribute to Getting Over It, as that game is too sexy hiking. I also have absolutely no freaking idea how Bennett coded his game, okay? I don't know, it may look like it was done in a week, but I assure you that it is technically more challenging than it seems. Mr. Foddy, if you're watching this, please comment below on how you managed to pull it off. Also, please don't sue me for ripping off your game. Thank you. First test, here we go. Before we do that, check this out. You know how the shirtless guy in Getting Over It moves his arms in a very natural way? They use something called inverse kinematics for that, which sounds incredibly interesting and fun. This is what I did. Easy. Especially because there is no way to lose. So I added the classic enemies, Goombas and Koopa Troopas. They send you back to the beginning of the level if they touch you. We have to make this game as unforgiving as Getting Over It. True gamers don't need checkpoints. Falling into a pit also sends you back to the beginning. Again, unforgiving. Deal with it. I will allow Mario to step over enemies to squash them though. Having a cauldron under his feet can only make it easier. And he can also smack them with the hammer, block them, and even ride them. What a trip! The perfect segue to talk about mushrooms. They make Mario grow, that's it. The hammer gets bigger as well. Otherwise we end up with this T-Rex situation here. But yeah, that's it. No extra lives, okay? Unforgiving. I don't know if this can even be considered a power-up. It's pretty hard to control. But my interpretation of the star power-up is definitely useful. It makes the hammer extremely powerful, allowing our little plumber to jump great distances. Especially interesting if you are into speedrunning rage games. Just remember it comes with a cost, your sanity. Controlling the hammer is also harder with the power-up. And guess what? The star doesn't make you invincible in my game. We are only missing the flower. Here it is, for you, my audience. You can decide how it works in this game. Comment below. Now, we've had some fun recreating the classic Mario 1-1 level, but let's be honest, that's for noobs. To really test our skills, I added a ton of new and challenging sections to the level, with more enemies, precise jumps, infuriating moves, larger holes, and more. And let me tell you, it is not for the faint of heart. But before we see how it turned out, we need to finish it off with a disappointing celebration, just in case you managed to clear the level. If you are feeling up for an extra challenge, I've got two for you. First, see how fast you can get to the flagpole, and if that's not enough, try to collect all the coins along the way. To help you keep track, I've added a speedrunning timer with millisecond precision and a coin counter. But be warned, even if you manage to beat the level, you will never defeat the creator. Okay, just nice and easy here, just jump on the Goomba. Fuck! Okay, this part is easy. Take that. Yes, now I just need to climb up here. Now subtle movement. Get the star power up. I just need to get up. Need to get up there. Get up here. There you go. There you go. And just a movement here into the... No. Boop. This is a very fun and very polished game. I can just ride the shell, yes. Yes, check out these pro moves. Just need to get out to the next step. Don't. Ah, the hammer got stuck. Nice. The worst is behind. This is just fine. I need to get through the gap. Nice and easy. Ah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. Saved it there. Just don't... Saved it again. Just don't do it one more time. I'm fine. No. Fuck! Okay. I got to this point again. Here again. It's fine. Just... chill. Nice. I never got to this point. Just full jump to the... Okay. This time, this side. I can do it this time. Just chill. Yes! One more time. Yes! No! 81 attempts later, I did win the game. It took me 1.5 hours of suffering and loud screaming, and I won't show you the full run, but here is my best time. You can find the game in the video description, and I know what you're thinking, like, what about tubes, invisible blocks, piranha plants? Did I develop any of those? Well, you'll just have to play the game to find out. Please consider subscribing to the channel and maybe check out some of my other videos. See ya!